Welcome to the Department of Information Science and Engineering at BIET Davangere. The department was established in the year 2000 and has an intake of 120. Dr. Purnima B is heading the department since 2013 and also coordinator for NAIN Incubation Center and IIT Bombay Remote Center. The academic strength of the department lies in the dedicated faculty and supporting staff, where the faculty members and students in the department work closely together in an open collegial atmosphere in order to enrich the students with fundamental learning and practical skills in various domains. The faculties are well experienced in the field of software engineering, networks, algorithms, data structures, and emerging technologies like machine learning, Python, and artificial intelligence. Faculty members are actively engaged in research and have published many research articles in the reputed journals and conference proceedings. The department has well-equipped computer laboratories with the high-end systems, servers, and internet facilities. In addition, we have grants from AICTE, VGST, and KSCST schemes to modernize the laboratories. Electronic Circuit Lab is supplement to the theory courses of digital circuits and system with adequate introduction to both combinatorial and sequential logic circuits. Microprocessor Lab is well equipped with various types of microprocessor, microcontroller trainer kits. The department's project lab provides an open learning environment to the student community to carry out their innovative projects so that they are molded to meet the grand challenges of IT sector. Classrooms are spacious and well ventilated with lecture capture facility for better learning environment. The department has an Industry 4.0 Center of Excellence to build the industry-capable talents and to provide environment for product creation in the field of advanced technologies like Internet of Things, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. The InSync Forum of the department brings the holistic development of students through technical, non-technical, and cultural events. The forum strives to bring in the industry experts to share the knowledge and train the students on various technical aspects of industry. Department has bagged the State Level Best Project Award by KSCST, 2 times TCS Best Student Award in the year 2014 and 2018. Participated in national level hackathons, won first prize in State Level Business Hackathon 2018 and hat-trick winners in College Festival Davana. The department has an excellent placement track record in various MNC companies like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Accenture, HCL, State Street, and many more. The department organizes industrial visit to various companies.